welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing a whole house clean with me. So I have dusting, vacuuming, I need to tidy the bathrooms, I need to mop, I have some laundry to fold. We're gonna be going over the whole house and just cleaning because I am getting ready this week to film a ton of organizing and decluttering videos. So I wanted to have all of like my major house cleaning and stuff done. Like the house is picked up, I just cleaned the kitchen. I just posted a short and a TikTok and reel on Instagram, so of me like cleaning the kitchen and all of that. So I think those are super fun to watch. I love watching like the cleaning TikTok videos, so I'll leave all of my information here for my Instagram and for my TikTok, so make sure you are following me on there. Those are so fun. So doing all of that stuff today so I can be ready for this coming week of all of the organizing and decluttering projects. I am so excited. I'm starting in the kitchen with my organizing and decluttering because it needs it badly. So it has been a while since I have done it, so I'm so excited. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like I said, we're just going through dusting, vacuuming, mopping, cleaning glass, all of that good stuff. So doing the whole entire house. I'm also washing beds, so like the bedrooms kind of look messy, so I don't know if I'll necessarily do in there because I feel like when the beds are, I'm washing all the sheets and all of that stuff because it is a Sunday, so I wash all bedding on Sundays. I feel like the rooms just look a mess even if everything else is fine, just because like pillows and stuffed animals and all that stuff is kind of askew everywhere. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you are new, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any future cleaning, organizing, or any other fun content. I have tons of stuff planned, so make sure you are subscribed. So let's get started. All right, so for my cleaning, I'm starting off with dusting. I have fallen back in love with the Swiffer duster. I used to not like it because I feel like it's such a waste, but I can do my entire house because I keep up with it with one Swiffer. If I do like a light fixture or something like that, I may have to get another one, but I just did all of that like right before Christmas, so I can do my entire house with one of these. But I'm also gonna go in with the Method Wood for Good cleaner on like my coffee table and my end table and places like that I really want like a good clean and a good shine. So that's my plan. Then we will vacuum, then we will mop, and then we will take care of everything else.
Shine on me, shine on me, shine on me, shine on me. I've been going out of my head, I've been waiting for someone to give me help. All I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get out. Tell me things I can't say myself from you and nobody else. Everything is out of my sight. This is all so new to me. I can do it all in your way. Say all the things that you say. I can do it all in one night. When I go out, the light doesn't shine on me. I fade out. It's all so new to me. I need you, someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me. Shine on me, 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 shine on me. I've been chasing highs just to breathe, yeah, I need that. Take it all in now, I see what I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get out. Tell me things I can't say myself from you and nobody else. Everything is out of my sight. This is all so new to me. I can do it all in your way. Say all the things that you say. I can do it all in one night. When I go out, the light doesn't shine on me. I fade out. It's all so new to me. I shine on me. I go out, the light doesn't shine on me. I fade out, it's all so new to me. I need you, someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me. Shine on me, 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 shine on me. Yeah, yeah. For so long, I've been trying to get you out of my head. Oh yeah, but somehow I always seem to wake up in your bed. Baby, if we talk for a minute, then maybe we'd be getting somewhere. I just wanna love you a little to see where this is going. I really need to know, babe. Can we just open up? 'Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go. 'Cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm still a little high on you. Still a little high on you. For so long, I've been thinking that we're more than just friends. Oh yeah. Oh, but maybe your heart is falling for someone else.
No, it's just still a little wet. Careful. Here, Austin, you know where that goes? Right in here. Layton, put that bowl in the sink. They're cleaning up their giant mess that they made from lunch. And first they have to empty the dishwasher. Chores. Ooh. Good Lord, woman.
I thought we did our chores yesterday.
You did some chores yesterday.
No, we did all.
Alright, so my bedroom is now clean. I have to still make the bed. My sheets and Austin's sheets are in the washing machine. Actually, no, mine's in the washing machine with Layton's, but Layton, last week, her sheets took forever to dry, so I put her share of sheets on. That's a tongue twister. So we're just gonna do a quick little dusting in her room. They just cleaned their rooms yesterday, but I wasn't here, I went grocery shopping, so I'm just going around and doing like the windowsills. And they were here with Kevin, I didn't like leave them alone, but you know, he was doing other stuff while they were doing this. So I'm just making sure that it's like, just little things, the places that they would probably forget, like the tops of their windowsills. Yes, for sure. And like up here on Layton's mirror, places like that they can't reach. So I'm just going along doing that. Then we're going to vacuum the whole house. I already did the living room. And then we're gonna wash the floors, and then we're gonna tidy the bathrooms. So we are moving along well. Like I said, the beds, they are cooperating. I washed our big thick comforter and it actually dried. Like our dryer is the worst and so unreliable, and this thing is thick. Like I don't know if you can tell how thick it is like on camera, but it is thick and heavy. Last week it took forever to dry, and
Where do you want me to put this?
I'll take it. Thank you. It dried it so fast, literally in like less than an hour, or just about an hour, so, which is crazy. So, can I share some advice with you guys?
I'll do those.
Can I share some advice? Oh, okay. You're gonna pick up put away this stuff before you get down to down here, right? Just because there's no room to put anything. You guys are doing great.
Oh, maybe we should talk for a minute. Then maybe we'd be getting somewhere. I just wanna love you a little to see where this is going. I really need to know, babe. Can we just open up? 'Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go. 'Cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm standing a little high on you. I think that we need a guiding light. Right now we're running around in circles. But if you don't even wanna try, I need to know it. Can we just open up? 'Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go. 'Cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm standing a little high on you. Standing a little high on you. On you. Yeah. Standing a little high on you.
All right, so everything is done. I just moved my sheets into the dryer and I need to make Austin's bed, but I have decided, I was kind of playing around with some stuff downstairs. I need to reorganize the entire downstairs. So that is gonna be an entire separate video because I don't have the stuff, A, that I need to organize, and B, it's like a whole project and it is 2:30 on a Sunday afternoon. I promised myself and the kids I'd be done by like 3:30 so we could have the whole rest of the day just to hang out. We're gonna watch the Patriots game. I'm gonna make some buffalo chicken dip and we're just gonna kind of veg for the rest of the day. So, all of us weren't feeling good at the end of last week. None of us tested positive for COVID. We all got tested like multiple times, but we were not COVID positive, but we all just kind of felt yucky. So, not much got done around here. So we're all just kind of vegging out and chilling to recuperate so we're ready to go back to school and to work tomorrow. So, last thing on my list is just doing the floors and all of that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you consider subscribing if you are new, and I will see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.